M108VL Bungalow purse. Your monogram will go here. Slide the purse onto a 12-inch by 5-inch slimline clamp frame. Slide the purse all the way to the top of the frame, centering between handles. Place your laser point exactly on the middle of the bag where the swirl stitching of the tote ends. Trace sewing area to ensure monogram fits inside of the frame. Now you can begin sewing. All the items used in this video can be purchased at wholesaleBoutique.com. We use Grotz Beckett RG type needles, and we think they are the best on the market. These needles reduced our thread breaks by 49% and allow us to go from sewing knit scarves to canvas bags to leather purses without ever having to change our needles. When your sew is complete, remove from the frame. There you have your finished product.
Click the links in the description below to view the items used in this video.